Hello friends. Here I am with two dinner ideas with leftover chicken curry and veggies with less oil. You can make delicious meal with more veggies and less spices. Serve hot and enjoy as a meal alone or pair with rice, millets, etc. Let's get started. I'm going to use 4 colors of bell peppers. You can choose as per your choice. First add 1 teaspoon oil in a hot pan. Add 3 finely chopped chilies. Of all peppers, green peppers need little extra time to cook. Thus sort the green ones first. Add rest of the bell peppers. Now add quarter teaspoon salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix 1 to 2 times in the middle. Salt with lid for faster cooking. It's time to add leftover chicken. Chicken and bell peppers make such a great combination, will be very tasty. Add quarter teaspoon chili powder. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's ready to serve. If you want to add more protein and increase the meal quantity, add 1 egg at the end. Egg doesn't need extra oil and cook with lid on. Keep mixing in the middle. Hope you enjoyed these leftover chicken meal ideas. Stay tuned for many more healthy and tasty options. Thank you for watching.